Hi guys, Abby Roberts here, and today I am on set with TATTI Lashes. I'm so excited to announce and introduce to you guys my collection. So here is what the little gift set looks like. All of the packaging was like designed by me. You know, I drew all the little drawings and everything on here, so everything is like super personalized. And also I'm like excited to let you guys know that it's all 100% recyclable. That's something that I am like personally super passionate about, getting sent all these PR and stuff. It's hard to like dispose of sometimes, so we made sure that the entire collection is recyclable. The lashes themselves are even biodegradable, so it's really sick. This is what the lashes look like. Oh my god. So the collection consists of 3 sets of lashes. We've got the full lash, which is the super dramatic bad girl lash, you know, bring out your little inner diva or whatever. And then the other ones are kind of your more day-to-day. We've got a half lash, which I am obsessed with half lashes. Like, I wear them pretty much 24/7. So I'm literally looking at this like it's my face in a little box. The half lash, it's going to give you that really snatched, lifted eye look, and then it comes with the individual sections, which I absolutely love to customize, and you can pop them on your bottom lashes. You can stack them with the other lashes to customize and create your own lash however you want. We also have a lash applicator, which is perfect for applying all of the lashes, and my personal favorite part of the collection, which is the glue. We all know my struggle with lash glue over the past few years. I randomly became allergic to it, which as a makeup artist was not ideal. So we've spent so long getting the formula absolutely perfect on this one. It's an entirely new formula that's hypoallergenic. There's no acrylates in it, so this is the one for you guys who are all allergic to lash glue, much like myself. So for the half lash, I'm going to show you guys a little bit of how I apply them and how I personally like to customize the individual sections. You can wear them so many different ways. It's literally totally up to you. Like I said earlier, you can stack them on top of the half lash, wear them on the bottom, however you like. So let's get into it, shall we? Alright, so for the half lashes, you don't have to trim these if you don't want to. Like, they're already the perfect size for most people's eyes. If you have smaller eyes, you might want to cut it a little bit shorter, but they should work on most people. For myself personally, I just like to take them, start by pulling them off by the outer corner, and I just trim off the little tabs that are on the ends of the lashes. I feel like this just makes them look a whole lot more seamless and fits the eye a lot better as well. And here is the glue. I like to just apply this straight to the lash. The glue dries so quickly. Honestly, it's probably the fastest drying glue that I have ever used, so you don't even need to really leave it that long to get tacky. Literally a couple seconds and you should be good to pop that right on the eye. So I'm just going to set that lash down and apply it to the other one. It's also quite a thin formula, so you only need a really little amount. It goes such a long way, which I personally love. This glue, trust me, is the strongest glue that I've ever used, so your lash is not going anywhere, trust me. So I'm just taking the lash on my tweezer, and I've already applied my mascara and everything. I like to put my mascara on before my lashes, just so they don't get built up with a bunch of product. I find you can get so many more wears out of them that way. And then I just use my tweezer to adjust on the inner and outer corner. The lash applicator also has a little brush if you wanted to brush through the lashes at all. I feel like I don't need to right now, but it's there just in case you need it. I'm just popping the other one on, and I apply these more towards the outer corner of my eye as well, to really give it that lifted effect. And it was that simple, lashes all on. Now I'm going to show you guys the bit that you're all super excited for, which is the individual sections. So the individual lashes come like this in the packet. As you can see, they have the smallest ones right in the center, fanning out all the way. But that doesn't mean that you guys have to apply them like that. Literally stick them all over your face if you really want to. This is what I created for you guys to get super creative with it and play about with it, so you can put them wherever you want. I personally love to take these biggest ones, which are just on the outer corner, and stack those on top of my half lash to give it that bit of extra volume. Again, I'm taking my glue and applying that straight to the lash. I love the individual lashes because they're so tiny that you can kind of place them wherever you want to, and it's not going to look too crazy or bulky or anything like that you might be worried about. We spent ages trying to get the right shape of individual lash so that they're super customizable and you can really play about with them. I'm going to go in with my second individual lash and just place that right on the top as well. The half lashes are already like a super spiky shape. I wanted something that had like a lot of dimension to it and wasn't just fluff all over, because I like something that has a little bit of shape to it, so these lashes are perfect. Then going in and just doing the same thing on the other side. You can either do this while the lashes are on your eye already like me, or you can just pop them in the set and put them together, really play about, see what you like the look of before you put it on your eye. I prefer to do it this way because I can adjust it like in real time if I feel like it doesn't look exactly how I want it to. So that's the lashes on the top, and now I'm going to go ahead and apply a couple on the bottom. So my biggest tip for applying lashes to the bottom is, as you see them in the packet, they are kind of fanned out how you would expect them to look on the top. What you want to do is flip the lash over so that it actually curves downwards. This is something that I see people struggle with quite a little bit, so I just thought I'd let you guys know on that one. And then you can apply that underneath your lash as opposed to applying it on top of it. That way you avoid getting all glue in your eyes, because that's a whole mess that you don't want to deal with. So I'm just leaving sort of an even space, applying my second one just in the center, and my smallest lash just before the inner corner. And the great thing about these tweezers is they're so tiny and precise. You can really get in there and adjust it how you want it. And do the same on the other side. Again, in the center of the lash here. Alright guys, so this is the finished look and how I chose to customize my lashes today. I want to see all of your guys' looks as well, so if you use the lashes, make sure to tag me and Tatti Lashes. The collection is now live on tattilashes.com, so make sure to go get your hands on some.